Hello guys, good morning. Hi, Akash Sharma here from Traders Guide 2.0. Welcome you all. Right. So today we'll discuss regarding one best, you can say, scalping and swing trading indicator. Right. That works very awesome, guys. I will show you how that indicator works. We'll use minimum two indicators to for specific strategy. I will show you how strategy exactly works. Just a second. Let me share my screen to another Tradingview account. Okay. So you can see my screen, guys. So this is Tradingview account. You have to just select two indicators. One is signal table, this one, and another is. I'll show you the settings, guys. Don't worry. Next is black flag. That is CK. These two indicators you have to select. These are the two indicators which I already select. Now let's go towards the settings part. So regarding the signal table, let's go to the settings. Settings you can see in here input short EMA you have to change into 9 value. Default value 9 you have to change it to 6, and you can see long EMA it's 28 you have to change it to 18. Right. So now let's go towards the style section in same indicator. You can see short EMA is green and long EMA is red. You have to uncheck this table. This table is no need actually, and just save as default and okay. This is the settings for first indicator, and now let's go towards the black flag indicator. Okay, so just go to the style section and just uncheck all these option which you can see till plot background. Just uncheck all this option. That is no need actually. Okay, and now go to the input section. Input section you can see ATR factor is 5. You have to change ATR factor to 6. Default is 5, you have to change it to 6. Okay, fine. So mostly all settings are done. Let's go to the save as default and save. Okay, so now let me explain you how exactly the indicator works. We'll show first one indicator how exactly it works. Let me hide this specific candle lines. So you can see, guys, whenever there is a crossover, you can see when here you can see the green line is breaking, cutting red line. You will get a buy signal. Even same red line is cutting green line in downtrend. You can see a downtrend sell signal, right? So let's understand with the same every crossover you will get a trend. Actually, you can see every crossover you're getting a trend. So how to confirm and how to remove noise? Let's understand with using another indicator, and let me show you. So guys, here you can see every crossover you can see here it's a buy signal, but for safer side we have to I've used this black flag indicator. You can see this is the black flag indicator, upper band and lower band. You can see here you can see three different colors, right? That is of you can say buy signal, and this indicates you selling trend, right? These both are showing you the trend, right? So whenever you get a crossover, right, you have to just cross check for this black flag indicator that should be in green format, and then only you have to take an entry. So here you got a crossover, but here is sell trend is still continue. So this you have to ignore, and you have to enter once it convert into green black flag indicator, right? Once your black flag indicator shows you the green bar, you can enter for a trade. And let me show you now in the candlestick. Once you get a confirmation, you can enter for a trade, right? Similar, you have to exit over here. You can exit, and this will be, you can act as a trailing stop loss. You can keep a stop loss over here, this below last line, right? So every crossover you can see here you have a crossover, but you do not have to enter for a sell. Why? Because here you can see black flag indicator is showing you a green trend, right? So again, every crossover you can enter for a bullish buy signal, and for sell you have to ignore the specific trade. So here you can see next trade, every next crossover you can see here you are getting a crossover for buy, but the sell trade is continue, so you do not have to enter for a buy position, right? So here you can see the again crossover is there, and that is for sell. So you have to enter, because see, you have to only take the trade whenever there is a a red black flag indicator shows you red, you have to only trade in sell signal. And here you can see whenever you get your black flag signal indicator shows you green bar, right, only buy signal you have to consider, right? So you can see in past, let me show you on XAUSD. You can use for any currency, any crypto, forex. You can use for even commodity index, everywhere my indicator works, even in stocks, right? So let me show you. You can see here you got a crossover for sell signal, but confirm signal you get at this point. So you have to enter for a trade from here and go for a short position. And once these all get lines get flat, you can book your profit. Similar, you can see here you get a crossover for buy, you enter for trade. Again, you got a crossover for sell, but you do not have to go for a sell position, that you have to already ignore, right? So every buy trade, whenever you get the black flag signal shows you the green trend, and only sell signal, you can see the sell signal is very accurate. Here you can see you have got very good actually call. See here, I can see you have enter over here from this candle, you get this position, right? Each crossover, every crossover you have to exit, and even you have to cross check. Here you can see it's again a buy trend, sell trend, you have to ignore a buy trend, right? So here you can see again, in flat line do not trade, that will be a sideways market, so mostly you will not get any, you have to not enter any trade into this sideways market. Whenever this flat shows, black flag indicator shows you flat signal, you do not have to enter. Once you get any bounce something, then and only you have to enter for a trade. See here you can see sell signal you got crossover. Here it's sell trend already going on, you have to go for a sell position, and crossover you can book, or you can use my, I do use one indicator, that is support dynamic, support and resistance dynamic. You can use this indicator for booking a profit. So you can see once you enter for a trade, this will be your first target, and this is your second target. You can exit over here, right? Using this specific indicator. Here I won't suggest you to entry, as it's a flat market. So flat market do not trade, and only consider sell signal. Here you have to consider only a buy signal. Once you get a confirmed trade, you have to enter for a buy position, and up to next resistance zone you can set your targets using my this support resistance indicator. After, you can see again you got a sell trend, you do not have to enter for sell trend, just enter for a buy trend. Okay. So here again you got a sell trend, but confirmation you get once the black flag indicator shows you the notification. So here you have to enter from for a trade either here, or you can enter from the next candle, right? So this indicator mostly gives 99.9% accuracy. Even in sideways market you will not get, you have to not enter any I can say trade. So here you can see it's a sideways market, all flat signal, do not enter a trade specifically, it will make you loss. So before entering a market, just go to the trending part only and book your profit once you get a flat lines. Here you can see here, and then flat lines. Crossover also you can exit, right? Okay, fine. So you can see sell confirmed, and using my support resistance indicator you can exit. We are backtesting your data actually. You can use this on normal candles, that to improve your accuracy. Even you can use on Hikanashi as well, it will show you the high accuracy. Even you can get good accuracy on Hikanashi, but you can use any candles, I can say. You can use normal candle as well as Hikanashi candle, right? So I hope guys this specific indicator has clear your doubts. Let me go to my another screen. Okay, no worries, fine, this screen is also workable. Right, so guys, I hope you guys have understand how it's my indicator, magic indicator, I can say. So I hope you like my video, and it's based for scalping strategy, as well as you can use for swing trading. Swing trading, let me tell you, let me convert it into 1 hour time frame, and let's see how my swing. indicator performs. So here you can see it's a 1 hour time frame. Once you get a crossover, here you can see you got a crossover for buy signal. You have to enter for trade over here. You can go for a long position, right? You can see up to what market has performed. Once you enter for on the crossing part, on next I can say resistance zone, you can set your targets. It almost 12 points on hourly time frame, right? So I think it's more than enough to trade in 1 hour, or you can use any time frame. It's swing trading. Even you can see the how this indicator has performed very accurately. Here in this specific, do not have to enter for a buy trade. Just enter for a sell trade till all lets all line gets flat, right? Similar here, you have to go only for buy call till all lines are flat. You have to book your profit over here or here. Once you get a flat confirmation for all these uh, indicator, black flag indicator, you have to exit. Here you can see same enter, you have to enter over here. After getting a confirmation, do not enter here. Just getting confirmation, you can enter and go for a trade short position. Once lines are flat, you have to exit your trade. Okay guys, I hope, sorry it's late night, I hope आपको you will you have understood my specific indicator. It's very outperforming indicator, I can say. It's working really well. Just a second, let me switch to my screen. Fine. So I hope mostly this indicator will give you a 99% accuracy once you follow my instruction. If you have still any doubt, you can file my number on the scrolling uh, box. If you have any query, you can contact me on same. So I hope you like my video and you can see a past performance, how specific indicator is working. I will mention all the default settings which I have mentioned on the video. I will share you in the description part, so you can refer that specific instruction and you can follow for the same. Okay, fine. So I hope this was the backtesting data which I was showing you, its performance and all. So I hope this video is clear to you guys. And I if you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit a hit a like button and ring on a bell icon. So my future videos, I will make mainly into this tips and tricks videos and straight indicative strategies and all type of videos I will be making. So I hope you like my video and keep an eye on my channel. So coming videos you will be uh, learning more, right? So still any confusion, feel free to call me. Okay, I hope this all thing is clear. And thank you for giving your precious time for watching my video. And any doubts, feel free to call. Okay, thanks a lot guys. If you have any suggestion, you can message me on WhatsApp as well. This is my WhatsApp number only. Fine, thank you, thanks a lot.